Took her on the Harbor Freight Tools the other day, picked up a couple of these kits. One's the Maddox Superior Auto Body Tools there. It's 7-piece body and fender set, and the other one is the door trim set. It's for door skins. Let's see how these things look. It says polished on here, some professional grade forged polished alloyed steel for reliable precision. All right, so we'll take a look and see how they do. We'll see. Gotta throw the boxes away right away, or Connor will shoot me. Oh, this doesn't look too bad. Wrapped in plastic. Stuff looks pretty smooth. It's not like all nicky and, you know, coarse, I guess is what you'd say. Stuff looks decent to me. I don't know. And how do you go wrong? I mean, it's so cheap. There's not a whole lot to break or wear out. Yeah, the handles may be a problem someday. We'll have to see. That they seem a little. Of course, it's nice and light in the handle, so it feels pretty good. It feels actually, yeah, it doesn't feel bad. It feels a little light in the handle. Patent pending. So don't go copying these at home. All right. All right. Yeah, these are nice. They're smooth. Really nice and smooth. Yeah. You have to give these a try. I'm gonna try to keep them in the case too, but generally what happens is I'll pull them all out, won't be able to get them back in right away, and lose patience, and these will wind up flying all over the shop. Well, we'll see what happens, but they're, you know, pretty reasonable priced. I mean, I think this was 38 bucks or something. This was 50, 60, somewhere's in there. I don't know. These things look pretty decent for that. Should be able to pound a little steel. All right, well, my hats are off to those dentless guys. This is not easy. I can't imagine trying to, what those guys do is just a miracle, but they also do spend 8-10 hours on something like this, so you can't rush it. Can't rush it. But I am noticing this from this distance to here looks like a long ways to me, and I'm putting my finger there. Yeah, I'm gonna take a look at the other fender and see what that looks like. I might break out a tape measure and see, because if I'm looking at this, it looks to me like that body line, that goes all the way up to there. That's almost my whole finger. So it looks to me like on the other fender it stops about here. So there definitely was some work done to that other fender. Because I can tell from underneath there's some hammer marks that aren't there from me. Yeah, right up in there. Get a better look at it. Right here. Yeah, that's definitely been hammered out. And I didn't do that. And the other side's puttied. And when they did that, now yeah, you can see the line here is only about 4 inches from the end. And on this side, I can feel it. I can feel that it's not all the way. So I'm gonna have to do a little extra sculpting anyway. There's gonna be a little Bondo in this. There already is. So when I get through it, it's gonna be maybe less Bondo, but hopefully make it look better. Morning, guys. Back at the Jaguar fender. Not too bad. I mean, I got it pretty close. It's obviously not perfect. It's got some ripples in it and stuff like that, but we're gonna have to refinish it anyway, so I'm gonna sand off all this paint. It's a little bit chippy. I think it's from a previous repair. I don't think that's all original paint, because this was puttied up a little bit here already in the past. Gonna leave most of that, sand it off nice, see what it needs, and epoxy spray it with some primer, probably more than likely, and still a crease there. I pounded that out mostly, but it's still got a little bit of deviation, so we'll putty it up. Look like a little polyester filler. Here we got the bumper. Now, I'm not sure what to do, but I'm pretty sure this is more than I want to fix. I mean, this is pretty hard plastic. It's probably original, so it's getting pretty old. Probably gonna have to break down and just buy one. I see them on eBay. It's the only place I can really find one right now. Well, paint's peeling off a little bit there. That's where it was repainted at one point. You can tell it's been worked on a little bit. Down under here, that's like a piece of plumber strap they used to hold that, and it'll look good. I mean, the car did hold together, even if they did use plumber strap. Anyway, that's a little damage there, but I can get a complete bumper on eBay, I think for 150 and 160 additional for shipping. So that gets me right around 300, well, 310 bucks for the bumper. Maybe worth it. It's almost what I paid for the car, but at least we'll get her back into condition. The other thing I definitely need is the back side of this mirror right here. So there's another dilemma, because I really only need this piece. I can't seem to find one. Maybe I can get one right from, I don't know, maybe I can just order one from Jag or something. It might be cheaper, because I see mirrors on eBay and they want 150 bucks for a mirror. So that's a little pricey on a 96 car, but gotta have it. So there you are. Okay.